that particular packet to receiver. Then and the example is Fortnite game uses UDP to transmit player position updates in the real life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. The real-time application consists of video streaming, for example, Zoom it, then continuous flow, then error concealment and low latency of data transmission. Thank you. And this diagram shows clear difference between the UDP and TCP. Already know that UDP is a connectionless protocol. Then here the diagram is for only one sender and the receiver. Here the sender sends the data, and the receiver first have to send the request to the sender when the receiver is free, and then the sender start to send the data in the form of response to the receiver. This is the and also the sender does not worries about the sending data is reached to the receiver or not, but it will start to sending data again and again. There is no care about whether that sending data is reaches to the receiver or not. It is continuously sending until the data packets are fully sent to the receiver. Here the second diagram shows the clear idea about the TCP. Already you know that TCP is a connection oriented protocol. When the connection is established between the sender and the receiver only, it will start to send the data. Here the TCP connection establishment and the transmission phase and the termination phases are there in the TCP. First, the sender sends the request to the receiver when it is free or not. If the receiver is free, it will start to send the request to the sender in the form of synchronization plus acknowledgement. Then the sender sends the data to the receiver in the form of acknowledgement. This is simply called as three-way handshake. There is no chance of data loss during the transmission control protocol concept. Here the one packet will send at a time to the receiver, and after reaching that data to the receiver only, the sender sends the next packet to the receiver. This is the difference between UDP and the TCP control protocols in the transport layer. Then the every protocol is also having so many advantages and also the disadvantages. Here the TCP is also having some advantages over UDP. The UDP is also having some disadvantages over the TCP. Let's we move on to the limitations or disadvantages of UDP. Here there are 5 limitations are there in the UDP. There is no reliability, which means the sender does not worrying about the receiver has received that particular data or not. Then here there is no ordering to send the data packets because the sender continuous data to the receiver. Then no congestion control occurred because the data is sending from sender to the receiver alone. There is no chance of reverse connection between sender and receiver. Then no flow control, and here the limited error checking will be handled by some of the error checking techniques is called CRC, like this. CRC means in both the sites the values are calculated, it will match the with the particular. Thank you for watching this video. explained about user datagram protocol and the main differences between the user datagram protocol and the transmission control protocol. Thank you once again for watching. Thank you.